Hi, what are the steps you need to take when you are buying a used mobile phone? Sir, I will not go into the technical steps what you need to take when you buy a used mobile phone because technical side I'm not fluent with the technical side. I will inform the legal side because being an advocate, I will inform the legal side. What are the steps you need to take to prevent from having legal complications, and if at all you have any legal complications, how to face those legal complications is what I'm going to share with you right now. The first step you need to do is make the payment to the seller of the used mobile phone by way of online transaction or account pay check. This is important. The second point is collect his identification, which could be Aadhaar card, PAN card, or any form of identification like passport, voter ID. Insist for an identification. Check for the original identification and take a copy of the original identification. The third is important. You will collect the mobile phone and check for the technical aspects. I'm not going to delve into the technical aspects. So the third step is obtaining a receipt of delivery from the seller, the invoice, and what is the format of the invoice. A simple format that you purchased a mobile phone from the seller and obtain his signature. It is like obtaining an invoice from a showroom, but it will be a handwritten invoice. Please note this. It should be a handwritten invoice saying that he received so and so amount of cash from you by way of an online transfer on account pay check. And then the last thing you need to do is noting the technical details like IMEI number and other details pertaining to the model make of the mobile phone and a photocopy of the invoice and the photocopy of the identification, and then write a letter to the jurisdiction of your address, residential address, police station in the jurisdiction of your residential address, stating that you purchased a used mobile phone from Mr. So and so, and enclosing the identification documents and the invoice documents. If you go and try to submit these documents to the concerned police station, they will not give any sort of acknowledgement. They will simply take it by hand and they will inform you to go, and they will say orally that they are going to file it in the records. But that is not sufficient legal acknowledgement. The legal acknowledgement is to send it by way of a register post. Remember, you should send it by way of a register post, not by a speed post. Register post addressed to the station house officer. And in another video, I explain what is the difference between register post and the speed post. There is a hell lot of difference. Don't try to use courier also. Use register post addressed to station house officer of the concerned police station, enclosing all those documents and the original of the information containing that you purchased the mobile phone, the used mobile phone from the concerned person, and you also should inform that you are going to take all these steps. You should also inform to the seller that you are going to take all these steps before doing. But before that, complete the transaction, take the possession of the cell phone, take all the documents, and then inform him about the step which you are taking right now, which you're planning to take right now. That is sharing the information with the concerned police station. This is very important. Thank you.